Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to disable visited places in the Apple Maps app on your iPhone. Visited places automatically keeps track of the locations you have into, neatly organizing them into categories like restaurants, shops, or even transit stops. Since the feature is end-to-end encrypted, only you can access the data. Apple can't read it, and it seamlessly syncs across all your Apple devices signed in with the same account. But if you prefer not to have maps record your movements, you also have the option to disable the feature entirely. That's it. Let me show you how it's done the right way. So first we have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose the Apps option. After that, you have to scroll down to find the Maps app and select it. Then you have to tap Location option. And finally, you have to disable the toggle located next to visited places, and that's about it. With the toggle disabled, Maps will no longer track the places you visit. It's worth pointing out that you can also access this very toggle by going to the Location Services section on your iPhone, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily disable the visited places in the Apple Maps app on your iPhone in order to safeguard your privacy. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.